Hey guys, we're back at the new place. We are trying to figure out when we're gonna move in. Right now, it is up in the air still. So we are having the carpets, like I'm standing in our main bedroom right now, and we're having the carpets taken out on Tuesday. So the ones that I showed you upstairs, those are being taken out. And then these ones in here are being taken out. And it's kind of like up in the air as far as what we're doing in here, because in here, this is like the newer part of the house. So it's like particle board underneath these floors, but I don't want to put our stuff, like, I don't know, carpet just weirds me out and I just want to get rid of it. I'd rather like have like particle board than carpet. But we aren't sure if we're going to be, so this is the closet. If you know me, I have a lot of clothes. So this closet is probably not even room enough for my stuff, but what's on the other side of this wall is this weird little like pass-through room. Like if I have to, I'll just make this work and it'll be kind of like just like a beauty get ready area with more like storage, and I'll just make it work. But what would be really cool is to take out this wall that's in between these two areas of like where the closet is and where this area is. And so it would go like up to these like stairs that goes up to our funky little bathroom. It's definitely funny living in an old house, like the way that they've remodeled it, the way they've added on. This was basically, I think, the garage. I think this was the garage, and then they turned it into a like main bedroom area. So, and then what else I'm gonna do while I'm here, we brought over our potted plants, our outside potted plants at least, so we can get some things going. And then I'm gonna take down those big heavy curtains that I showed you guys in the living room. Those are gonna come down. I brought a drill and a ladder. And then what else am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna show you the molding for the living room. I got really big, lightweight molding. That's gonna be the crown molding in the living room. I wanna take down like the old wallpaper. I think the previous owners like had that like specialty made, but I want like real crown molding. And then we're gonna do like picture frame molding and stuff, but I will show you that. And then I think that's like the main things I wanted to do today. Here is the molding that I got for the living room. It's like super lightweight stuff that you can basically just hang with liquid nail glue. But I'm gonna put that all around the ceiling here after we take down the wallpaper. And then Richard is coming to help me, whoops, what am I stepping on? Oh, tape measure. Richard's coming to help me take down these heavy drapes. So these are all coming down. It's gonna show off the windows so much better.
All right, here we go.
Oh, and the curtain drops. This is what's going on outside. Richard is taking the mini excavator and making a driveway all the way to this shop shed thing. So this was it just has a roof when we moved in. So we are enclosing it all because we do not have a garage, because they turned the garage into our room. So this is all going to be finished out, basically our garage slash shop, but we need a driveway to go to it. I just unloaded the plants. I put these two pots right there. God, that's garbage, but thought that would be cute, just flanking the little walkway there. And then they left these humongous big cement pots, and I think we're gonna put them throughout the landscaping. And then I've already been hauling off like random stones and stuff, just trying to clean it up. And then I'm going to, they had this wheelbarrow here. It's just an old wheelbarrow, and they had it on these 3 stones, just with some flowers in there. But I think I want to take out these stones, clean up things, and then I'll probably put a couple of my flower pots there. And eventually we want to redo all of this, but for now I think we'll just kind of make the most of what we have. I ended up emptying the dirt out, and look how bad it was, and this whole thing just came off. It's totally see-through. I think this thing had a good life. I'm I'm gonna ask Richard, he's currently taking out a dead tree with the mini excavator, but I'm gonna have him come and take out these clothesline racks that are just kind of going into disrepair, and they're right in the middle of everything. So it'd be nice to get those out. And then Evelette's emptying these big planters so that we can move those and put them over in the landscape areas, maybe some cool like topiaries planted in them, kind of in a couple island areas. Woo! Yeah, it was. Now Richard is saving my archway. It's leaning, so he's giving it some support. And then the clotheslines are gone, and so are the big pots over there. They're all gone. I just have to clean it up. I'm currently down in the basement, and this is what it looks like. And I already cleared out these shelves, and I already cleared out several things, but I thought I would show it in all of its glory before I do too much more of the clearing. Richard and I hauling out all of the storm windows and old doors and old windows from the house that they use these for the winter time.
This is for when you batten down the hatches.
They're not light either. Hey, we finished our day. We're all sweaty and gross, but we're having fun. Show everybody, all the peeps. We're getting a treat for Holty's birthday, going out to eat, and ending our day. We'll keep you guys posted. Carpet's coming out tomorrow. Cheers! Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Holty.
Happy birthday,